The kind woodcutter. Once upon a time, in a small village near a forest, there lived a woodcutter named Harry. Every day, he would go to the forest, chop wood, and sell it in the village market. Although he didn't have much, Harry was known for his kindness and helpful nature. One day, as Harry was walking through the forest, he heard a cry for help. He followed the sound and found a little rabbit stuck in a hunter's trap. The rabbit was scared and struggling to get free. Harry's heart filled with compassion and he carefully freed the rabbit from the trap. The rabbit looked up at Harry with gratitude in its eyes and hopped away into the bushes. Harry smiled, feeling happy that he would help. A few days later, while chopping wood, Harry accidentally dropped his axe into a deep pond. He tried to reach it, but it was too deep, and he felt helpless without his only tool for work. Suddenly, the same rabbit appeared, followed by a group of animals from the forest. The rabbit remembered Harry's kindness and wanted to return the favor. With the help of his animal friends, they dived into the pond and retried Harry's axe. Harry was overjoyed and thanked them all sincerely. From that day on, Harry continued to help anyone in need, and the animals of the forest became his friends. He realized that kindness and being helpful often come back to you in the most unexpected ways. Moral: when you help others, they may help you in return. Acts of kindness are always rewarded in some way, even if you don't expect it.